It's a new 2019 GMC Yukon. The best ability for your next vehicle is capability, and this Yukon has it. Features include automatic transmission, dual zone climate control, integrated navigation system with voice activation, auto-dimming rearview mirror, heated steering wheel, power tilt-down heated mirrors, Bluetooth streaming audio, hands-free liftgate, doors and push-button start proximity key, and heated and ventilated leather bucket seats. Edmunds.com finds it boasts substantially more towing capability than crossovers while also delivering a higher degree of burliness and solidity. GMC, professional-grade vehicles suited to fit your needs. They say a journey begins with one step. In this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.